Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your Binance Square history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Binance and tap to this little Binance icon into the top left corner. And after going into there, you will have to tap to more services and then go to information section. And after going in there, you will get to see this option of live. Tap to live because you will not get this section of history directly by going into Square. And now after going into this page, you will get to see the option of view history. Tap to view history and you can see your Binance Square last 30 days history. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.